Oh, sorry. Did you have an appointment before us?
Oh, hey, sweetie. No, just checking out the new office.
New office?
Yeah, I'm not a lawyer anymore. Thank God. On Monday, I start as the new head of human resources.
What?
Yeah, much better schedule for me. 4 days a week, 9 to 3, get to keep the same salary. I mean, it's pretty fucking awesome. I couldn't turn it down when it was offered to me after I demanded it. I mean, it's pretty annoying. I'll be taking off in a few months for maternity leave, but we all thought it'd be better I get started right away.
You are pregnant?
Isn't it crazy? I mean, I didn't want to start shooting out kids quite yet. I mean, not until I was 2 years into my reality show, but sometimes life just has other plans. Now, there's been a vicious rumor I want to quell right now, in case you hear it. No, head of litigation, Chris Gomer is not the father, nor is my child entitled to anything from his estate, nor am I to have any contact with his wife or his other... Sorry, I misspoke. His current children, because that's what all those documents attached to my long-term employment contract / settlement agreement said. Questions? Good. Well, technically I don't get started until next week, but I might as well start. What's your beef?
Gomer threw a stapler at me.
Did it hit you?
No.
Excellent. Problem solved. And you?
He refused to use my proper pronouns.
Something like queef, right?
Que and quis, which I believe is in violation of Stark Archive's anti-discrimination policy.
All right, kids. I like you guys, so I'm going to keep it real with you. Human resources at a law firm is not your friend, okay? We are a liability management consultant, and our client is the firm, not you. See, Chris Gomer bills out at over $1,000 an hour, and his clients include Zephyr Coal, Lil Smokey's Tobacco, formerly Martin Shkreli. He brings in millions of dollars every year. And on the other hand, you bring in... Did you guys do the math yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bleak. Anywho, comparatively, you bring in pocket change. So with that in mind, it's my responsibility to assess how much liability your complaint could cause the firm in comparison to how much Chris Gomer brings in for us. So, with the stage set, I just have one question for you. Are you prepared to sue, and do you have a law firm that you believe could go toe-to-toe with Stark Archive?
I do not.
Good, so we're agreed. Gomer can call you whatever the hell he wants, and we can all throw as many desk objects at your head as we care to. And your choice, kittens, is to stay or to leave. And if it's the latter case, well, I'll just call one of the hundreds of applicants vying for your very job. And that, friends, is how the free market works. Cool? Cool. Now, get out. Hey, I need the new Paris time records, please. And bring me my lunch.
So, how'd that go?
Just like you said it would. We took a long lunch so Zara could cool down a bit. Oh, and Zoe is the new head of HR, by the way.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Hey, you Pete?
Yeah.
So I need to offload some of the work that Zara was doing for me for a bankruptcy matter. Do you have a minute?
Sure.
All right, so I need you to go through these time records. I need you to fix them before we submit them to the bankruptcy court.
Okay.
We represent the company, and when you represent a company, the court makes you disclose your fees. So we attach all of our time records to a fee application, right? So I need you to go through all of these, check all the time records. This is every entry that every attorney has made on this case, and make sure they conform with these guidelines.
Okay, so spell check and grammar check, conformity.
I mean, sure, but it's more important that they comply with the guidelines, right? So this jurisdiction in particular is real stingy about professional fees, so they just like to make sure that there aren't, I don't know, like more than 4 attorneys on a single call, okay? So you got to cross-reference all of those time records, make sure we didn't go over head count in any particular call.
Okay, and like reassign the time to the general admin number?
Pete, no, that we don't get paid. Just like say they were doing something else. Like, oh, how about you say they were preparing materials for that call, right? Yeah, you can get creative with it. It does not have to be a shitty assignment if you don't want it to be.
So lie.
No, Pete, we're officers of the court. We cannot lie to the court. Just conform to the guidelines, all right?
Got it. Wait, why isn't Zara doing this anymore?
They let Quay go.
What?
Yeah, turns out that Quay was not checking out for Quispe's lunch breaks. So we were actually ending up paying Quispe for Quispe's personal time. It's a shame. I liked Quispe.
Hiding?
Disco nap.
Your seamless is here.
Wait, why are you still here? I thought your matter settled.
So did I.
You really gotta stop monopolizing Zara's time. I need her.
Quispe.
Queese. To finish the debt prep?
Quay got canned.
What? Why?
Took her pronoun fight to Gomer. Gomer.
They can't fire her over that.
No, but I don't know, HR found something in her timesheets as clever. BT Dubs. Zoe's the head of HR now. I'm telling you, these millennials don't know how to pick their battles. Do you have napkins? Why is this place fucking napkins?
Well, I know how to pick mine.
Something like queef, right?